Warm and inviting. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other Moen bathroom accessories. Flexible placement. For use in the bath as well as the kitchen for hanging towels and more. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Offering simplicity as its main motif, the Moen Preston bathroom towel ring acts as a subtle accent that complements surrounding decor. Designed to match the Moen Preston series of trims, this stylish towel ring for bathrooms comes with mounting hardware and a template for easy home installation. Choose from a stylish chrome finish and a warm brushed nickel finish. This towel ring is backed by Moen. Top reviews from the United States. A great price for a name brand towel holder. My son installed this towel rack for me and he said it was easy. I was looking for one in Home Depot and decided to check Amazon. I found I could buy the same one on Amazon straight from the manufacturer for almost half the price. Sold. It's very sturdy.